Hey there guys, I'm doing some splits this spring. I got some queens in the mail, and so I'm doing some splits. A lot of times when we're doing splits, or you're watching a video on YouTube, you'll hear the beekeeper talk about using emerging brood to make the split. That's capped brood that is in the process of the new bees emerging from the cells. And I came across a good example of that while I was splitting this hive, and I wanted to show it to you. So it's on this frame that I've taken out, and I've shaken the bees off of it. But if you look at this frame, you can see you can see the big patch of capped brood, and then right in the middle, all the cells are open. That's because as a queen lays, she kind of starts in the middle of a comb and then works in concentric circles going out. Sorry, does that make y'all dizzy? Maybe, I don't know. Anyways, and if you look here on the edge of this circle, see, look, there's a bee chewing her way out. Here's a little worker chewing her way out. Let's come around here. I think there's another one. Oh, there's one chewing her way out. So you can see that is a patch, a nice patch of emerging brood. All the stuff that you see capped will be hatching or coming out of its cell in the next day or so. And if I put this in a split, that will give that split new nurse bees that will readily accept a new queen. So that's what we're looking for when we're making a split. We don't want these old bees that are flying out of the entrance. Those guys don't want to accept a new queen. We want new nurse bees, like this little cute baby guy right here, with her all fuzzy and kind of walking around like she's drunk. She's a nice young freshly emerged nurse bee. She'll do a good job. So this is an excellent source of frame, or excellent frame for me to put in my new split and give a new queen. I hope that helps. Well, let's see. Look at the other side of this frame. On the other side, this isn't emerging brood. This is probably fairly recently capped. I say that because we've got open brood. You can see the larvae there on the edge. So this is not, but that's fine. This is still a great frame for me to put in my split. We'll put it up here. This is the box that I'm going to split into. And I hope that helped you guys. All right. Have a great day. Happy beekeeping. Adios.